Hi, Dr. Brenda here with my son Jameson. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Jameson was just adjusted this morning. So today he didn't have school, so he comes to the office with me. And this is a good time for him to have his spine checked and to get adjusted. So Jameson, since it is Valentine's Day, what do you love about getting adjusted, and what do you love about chiropractic care?
So I like about getting adjusted so I can feel healthy, and that's it.
Okay, so you can feel healthy. So how many sick days have you missed from, like how many days of school have you missed from being sick?
0.
A big fat 0. So this is why we get adjusted, because it boosts our immune system. Not only does getting adjusted make you feel good, but it keeps you healthy, because we're actually taking care of your nervous system, which controls your immune system. And after mommy gets you adjusted, what does she tell you?
Power on.
Power on. That means your body's functioning and healing at what percent?
100%.
100%. So with that being said, love your spine. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Happy Friday.
Up, it's Spine Day. What's that?